Welcome to the Betmgm guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the withdrawal process and how to easily cancel a withdrawal. Whether it's a change of mind, unforeseen circumstances, or just a need for clarity, there are several reasons you might want to cancel a withdrawal. Let's start by accessing your Betmgm account. Log in using your credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Account section where you can manage your withdrawals. In the My Account section, look for the Withdrawals tab to find your pending requests. To cancel your withdrawal, simply click the Cancel button next to your request. Confirm your action, and you're done. You can verify the cancellation by checking the status in your Withdrawals tab. It should show the update immediately. Remember, keeping your account well managed can prevent confusion. Regularly track your withdrawals and deposits. If you have questions, we've got answers. Let's address some of the most frequently asked questions about withdrawal cancellations. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you navigate your withdrawals on Betmgm with ease.